Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disconnect Discord from Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Discord app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your main Discord interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there which represents your user settings. Click on this icon to access your account configuration options. After clicking the gear icon, a settings menu will open up on the left side of your screen. This panel contains various categories for managing your Discord account, including appearance, notifications, and integrations. Look for the option labeled Connections and click on it. This section is where Discord manages all your linked accounts and third-party integrations, allowing you to control which platforms are connected to your Discord profile. Once you're in the Connections section, you'll see a list of all the services currently linked to your Discord account. Navigate to where you see Steam listed among your connected accounts. Right beside the Steam connection, you'll notice an X button. This button is specifically designed to remove the link between your Discord and Steam accounts. Go ahead and click on this X button to initiate the disconnection process. After clicking the X button, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This is Discord's way of making sure you really want to disconnect your Steam account, as this action will remove all Steam-related features from your Discord profile, including the ability to display what Steam games you're playing. To confirm that you want to proceed with unlinking your Steam account, click the Unlink button in the confirmation window. And that's it! You've successfully disconnected your Discord account from Steam. This means your Steam activity will no longer be visible on Discord, and any game status updates won't sync between the two platforms anymore. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.